Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you, God bless you. My people, I come across one video when I see where one man, the jogodo in your pikin. This man, you the jogodo your own pikin, my people. When I say the video, I shocked her eyes. I say, what did they interview the small pikin? This girl say, and I see rescue. Say, this man just keep her for us ever since. You just the jogodo in your pikin. I mean, my people. When I just see me, the thing just tire me really. That is so many. Una own, it just do una body really. See, how your pikin body will take attract you. Your own pikin body, it will come attract you. So say you begin to jogodo your own pikin. As the evil spirit enter you, or you don't know what you they do, we be say your own pikin, now you want call the jogodo. You can't even carry your friends. Can't call them. See all of them call the jogodo, your own daughter, one by one. I was like, this man, are you okay? The girl say no fit cry, come out, you no see weapon. The man, you continue to the do am. This man they spoil you. You dey okay. You sure say your head they walk well, as in you sure say you not need deliverance. Or evil spirit will enter you, not gonna see girls carry for outside, they go see your own picking. Like seriously. When I hear me ask this man if he head correct or in dey okay. How come your own pikin, how come they attract you? Your own pikin. Your own pikin, how come they attract you? You not gonna see another person carry again, because na your own pikin. Hey, I never seen this kind of thing before. When I see him, I shock. Go enter my body where they get it talking. Your own pikin. Hey. He can't even call the friends. Make they come finish the picking for him. Can't call the friend. This mugre man. I never see person that is there. Yeah. I never see this kind of thing before, my people. This man carry friends. Make the jogodo in your picking. This man, who did you now? Who did? I never see this kind of human being before. There's one woman we be go Samari, we see the come their ass abi no come do I take come where the girl come begin the narrate her own story. They tell the woman. Then the woman can't take carry the woman can say, only in your ear no go hear this one. Then the woman say run, go carry police, come arrest the man. The mugre man. That is this man. If I did that place that day, slap now for that your face. Will be say your own pikin, how come they attract you? So you not gonna see girls go carry again. Your own pikin, how come they attract you? You want carry? My people, when I may ask this man if they okay or I beg. When I may ask this man, you not gonna see young girl toast again. Then they ask me, they say, in with the pikin that they always they play. You go pitch him, go pitch him. Like a girlfriend. You go pitch him, you go see pitch him. You go for a body as they play. Now so John Thomas constant. You know kind of when he can't take do one. Just listen to the man nonsense. Just listen to that great man what they talk. Now you can't do am. You not can know you can't take happen. Now only that once. Now you can't do am. Your own pikin. That's more remain for even give a belly. Eh? This man, you dey okay. We be saying now your own. That is how your pikin body self go. Even though your pikin even put clothes, your pikin body will come they attract you. Hey, maybe they say what you never see, you never will carry there. What you never see, you never will carry there, my dear. That be this one. Hey, Oh, my people. Eh? A man just sit down, he's not a pikin. Now he want the joke do every day. That kind of man, I not go gree a pikin dey come up for us because he know wetin he dey do am. You know wetin they do for his house there. A man who were DG, who with the Yoba, one of the year. This man, I don't know what I go call you. Eh, my people, when I say Mrs. Santio, a man just dance. He said that he picking. Now one come they attract him. He own picking. When he use the own John so much stay born. He said that one come they attract him. But my people, this man, deliverance when you need it. The pastors will go pray for you. They will pass 10. We go pray for only you one because the evil spirit will enter you too many. It too many will be saying that your own picky can't they attract you. It too many really. This thing happened for Italy that time. One man, you just put a picky for his house. He picky, he just the jogo do he picky. He can't where they stay na underground. This girl not they come out, you know they go outside. This man begin they give you picky. Belle, the pikin begin they born for this man for house there. You know the dream may come and I ain't go do everything. They do clean job. This girl they born for this man for your underground night that they stay. So this small pikin, the girl not they come out. This man finished this girl. This girl born about 3 children for this man, for a papa. Before they come finally cash the man. As they come cash him, then they come begin they ask him. Like how you take do one? We be say ever since your pikin, your own pikin just deal with you since nobody even know. My people, we be careful. Eh? What you call the apple now for this world now, man? Nobody know. Nobody know again, really. Eh? Can your own pikin go your begin to attract you? May God not let that kind of evil spirit enter our household. May God not let them. Because I don't understand some men, no. Because if there are some men, that they are just almost those time, they're not gonna know whether small pikin they exist again, no. They go want do anything where they want to do. Now one man said this one happen for UK that side. One man begin to ask a pikin, his stepdaughter. He begin the small girl say if mama come up for us. Now make a good make pikin they talk. I beg one of the ask on our children for us. But in fact, one of the educate them so that make all those kind of things not happen. He say if you come up for us, the mama, the girl go want they cry say want follow and man not agree because the girl don't enter primary school. So he say anytime when the mama come up for us, the man go they ask him say, your I will say, yeah, put your pants make I look am. Make I look and the girl go they say this small girl go they fear. You go say make you pull am. Anyone look am. I will say nobody they touch you. Say, how can a small girl they ask small girl when the primary school say the girl called the fear. The girl have to go talk for school. Now school now they come house come tell the mama say see what your pikin talk. The mama shocked her eyes. The cold enter mama body. The mama want faint. Say waiting. You mean now? They begin to ask the man begin to lie. You don't go down and we say no. Say they only use hand. They want the touch her. Hi, the woman elephant. And the woman say, they can't ask the woman how we want to do the man. Make they deport her and make they put her for prison. Let the man, the woman. When I say they ask her, and the job born for the man. Now I say make they deport her fast. Now that deportation that fit him. Some men, I don't know what I want to call them really. I just say some men they okay. When we say you just that's you say na pikin, small pikin, now I call they hungry you. I don't just understand though, my people, really, I don't understand the way some people say they behave, I don't understand really. When I just see that video, I shocked her eyes. It didn't shock me. It says, your own pikin. Just begin the joke go because he carry some people join body. You want finish the girl life. You want finish him with my people. That make all those girls that if they don't grow now. So kind spirits will go enter the door, call the fear to follow man or the verse. Also, what they don't pass through before. They'll come the verse. Though the verse they don't want to follow man, they'll come they get feelings from women. Now those is they cause them. Now they cause them. When I see that video, it's just the cold enter my body really, people. I beg. I just want to do this video like this. I don't want me too long. Let me just be like this, my dear. So thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell. So if you like this video, give the video a thumbs up. Please, thumbs up for me. And always like my video. Always share my video. Please share this video for me. Please share this video. Because what you can happen for this world now? Only God, I know. So thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time. Bye.